Welcome to 15-Minute English Drive. I'm Leo.
And I'm Debbie. Today we dive straight into 12 essential words about renewing official documents. Let's go! Is your passport expiring soon?
Oh, don't say that word. Paperwork makes me need more coffee.
I know the feeling. But it's something we all have to do.
That's true. It starts with one important paper or a special file on your computer.
Ah, yes. I keep mine in a big folder, so I don't lose them.
Same for me. The general word for this is a document.
That's a good one. It's spelled D-O-C-U-M-E-N-T.
Right. A document is an important paper. It has information on it.
My example is, I keep my university document in a frame on my wall.
Oh, that's a great idea. I should do that. I need my birth certificate document for a new job.
A quick tip for everyone. A document can be paper. It can also be a file on your computer, like a PDF.
Okay, so some documents are extra important. They come from the government.
Yes. I got a letter from the tax office last week. The envelope looked very serious.
Oh no, that's a scary letter to get. It's because it's official.
That's our next word, official. Spelled O-F-F-I-C-I-A-L.
Yes. Official means it is from the government or another important group.
So, my teaching certificate is an official document. It proves I was a teacher.
Good example. My driver's license is an official document. I must show it if police stop me.
We also use this for people. We say a police official or a government official.
Right. And these official documents have a problem. They don't last forever.
Oh, that is very true. It's like the milk in my fridge. After a week, it's not good.
I did that last week. The milk was bad. We say it expired. Our word is expire.
A very useful verb. It's E-X-P-I-R-E.
Yes. To expire means to end. It is not good after a specific date.
For example, my yearly bus pass will expire in March. I need a new one.
Same here. My gym membership is going to expire soon. I need to pay again to keep going.
Remember the X part. Like exit. It means something is finished or has gone out.
Good trick. How do you know when it expires? You need to find a specific thing on the document.
Yes. I was just looking at my passport. I was looking for one special date.
That's the most important date on there. The expiration date.
Perfect. 2 words. Expiration, E-X-P-I-R-A-T-I-O-N. Then date, D-A-T-E.
The expiration date is the final day something is good. After that, it does not work.
My example is easy. The expiration date on my passport is 2026.
Lucky you. The expiration date on my credit card is next month. I need a new one soon.
A quick note. In the UK, we write the day, then month, then year.
In the US, we write the month, then day, then year. This can be confusing, so be careful.
Okay, so what do you do before that date comes? You have to get a new one.
I remember when my library card expired. I went to get a book, and the computer said no.
Oh, that's so annoying. What did you have to do?
I had to renew it. That's our next word, renew.
That makes sense. It's spelled R-E-N-E-W. It has the word new in it.
It does. To renew means to make something valid again. You get a new period of time for it.
My cat Biscuit's pet insurance is something I must renew every single year.
Oh, that's a good one. I have to renew my car registration soon. It's always so much money.
The re at the start often means again. Like replay means play again.
Right. To renew something, you usually start with a special request.
Yes, that's right. When I wanted to join my neighborhood garden, I couldn't just start.
What did you have to do? Did you have to talk to someone?
I had to send them an application. That is our next word.
Application. A long one. A-P-P-L-I-C-A-T-I-O-N.
It is. An application is a formal request for something, like a job, a passport, or a club.
My sister Mia just sent her university application. She was very nervous about it.
Oh, I understand that feeling. I filled out an application for my driver's license years ago.
People sometimes say app for short, but that usually means a phone program.
Good point. This application is usually on a special kind of paper.
I know this one. I went to a new doctor last month. They gave me a clipboard with papers.
Ah, yes. With all the questions, your name, address, and medical history.
Exactly. That paper with all the empty spaces is a form.
A nice short word. FO or M.
Yes. A form is a paper with questions. You write your answers in the spaces.
When you travel, you often fill out a customs form.
I hate doing that on the airplane. And I can never find a pen. I also fill out tax forms every year.
A quick tip. Americans usually say, fill out a form. Brits often say, fill in a form.
Both are good. After you fill out the form, what next? You have to give it to them.
Exactly. I told my students this all the time. Give me your homework by Friday.
The deadline. So they have to hand it to you.
Yes. The official word for that is to submit it.
Submit. SUBMIT. It sounds very official.
It is. To submit means to give a document to a person or group. They will check it.
My last job application was online. I had to submit it by clicking a button.
Oh, that's easy. Sometimes you must submit the form by mail. You put it in an envelope.
You use this word for serious things. You don't submit a letter to a friend?
That's right. After you submit it, you hope your document is accepted. You hope it is?
I have a story for this one. I tried to use an old coupon for a free coffee. The man said no.
Oh, that's a shame. Did he say why?
He said, sorry, this is not valid anymore. Our word is valid.
Valid. VALID.
Yes. Valid means it is accepted or legal. It works correctly.
So a concert ticket is only valid for one specific day.
Exactly. My driver's license is valid for 5 more years, so I am okay for now.
The opposite is invalid. The in at the beginning often means not.
Good to know. Let's talk about the most famous valid document for travel.
I think everyone knows this one. You need it to fly to another country. It's a small book.
It has your worst photo in it. It's your passport.
It is. Our next word is passport. PASSPORT.
A passport is an official book from your government. It lets you travel internationally.
I always check that I have my passport about 10 times before I leave for the airport.
Same for me. The person at the check-in desk always says, "Can I see your passport, please?"
Just be careful. A port is a place for ships. A passport is a document for people.
Right. What if you don't travel to another country? You might need a different kind of proof.
Yes. For example, if you want to prove your age in a shop.
I had to do that last week. They asked for proof, so I showed them my ID card.
ID card. That's 2 words. ID, then CARD.
Right. ID means identification. An ID card has your photo and name. It proves who you are.
Many people use their driver's license as their main ID card.
That's true. My work pass is my ID card. It gets me into my office building. It has a terrible photo on it.
Ha! Everyone has an ID card with a bad photo. It's a rule, I think.
Okay, last one. To get these new documents, you can't just walk into the office.
No, you can't. It would be too busy. You have to call and plan a time to go.
Right. You have to book a specific time and day. I hate doing that on the phone.
Me too. You have to make an appointment. That's our last word.
Appointment. APPOINTMENT. That's another long one.
It is. An appointment is a plan to meet someone at a specific time and place.
I have a dentist appointment tomorrow morning. I'm not excited.
Oh, good luck. I made an appointment to get my new passport photo. I hope it's better this time.
We always say, make an appointment. That's a very common phrase to remember.
It is. Just like that, we have made it through all 12 of our words.
Wow, 12 words. My brain feels full, but in a good way, you know?
Same here. It's a lot, but they all connect to each other.
That's true. It's like the story of renewing something. From the document to the appointment.
Exactly. I think our listeners did a great job following along with us.
I bet they did. Are you ready for a quick game to test us all?
I am always ready, Leo. Let's do it. And you listening? Try to say the word before I do.
Okay, first one for you, Debbie. The little book you need to travel to another country.
A passport. That one is easy to start.
You got it. Okay, your turn to ask me one.
All right. What is the last day that a document is good for?
Oh, that's the expiration date. Shoo, I got it.
You did. Nicely done.
Okay, what do you do to make an old document new again?
You renew it. That one is easy because it has new inside it.
Cheater. I'm joking. A paper with questions and spaces for answers?
That is a form. You fill it in or fill it out.
And what do you do when you give that form to the office? You
submit it. Last one for you, Leo. A special meeting at a fixed time.
An appointment. We made it. That was fun. That is the end of today's 15-minute English Drive. Great work listening all the way through.
New episode every day. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. Keep practicing, and we will see you tomorrow. Safe drive.